this is Epson Workforce WF2830. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. You need to use the side button and go to the settings and select OK. Then scroll to the side and go to the maintenance and select OK. Then scroll to the side again to ink cartridges replacement, select OK. Then you select start. Now open up the intercover. Then you take off the black, take off the yellow, take off the magenta, and take off the cyan. If you want to put it back in, then you go in with cyan, push it down, go in with magenta, push it right down, go in with the yellow, push it right down, go in with the black, and push it right down. Okay, and close and select start. Now it's checking the ink. Now you will hear this warning sign, non-genuine ink detected. Select OK. Do you wish to continue using this ink? Select yes. Okay, then you go back in to the home page. So this is exactly how to replace the ink cartridges. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.